So here in Canada, Dempsters, which is a bread company, came up with a great idea called Tortizza. Like this thing here is like probably supposed to be for wraps. And they came up with an idea that, hey, you know what? This could be made for pizza. And I've been using this for when people come over or you want something quick for lunch. And it works amazing. They even have a recipe in the back. Look, how to easy steps. What you need, how to make it, what temperature, like at 425, basically for like 5 minutes. This can be the quickest pizza you ever make in your life. The quickest. All you need is some sauce, some cheese, whatever you want to put on it, and a tortizza. And the good thing is you can also use this just as a regular wrap, and it works fantastic. This is like Italian herbs, baked with a blend of Italian herbs, and it tastes fantastic on its own. So if you want to make a sandwich, it's fantastic. If you want to make a pizza, it's even better. Look at this. It's simple. You put a tortizza on a pan or even right on the shelf. You put some sauce. You put whatever you want on top. Now, I didn't use shredded cheese. I just cut some mozzarella up, but you can use shredded cheese and it'll melt probably even better because it's only in the oven for like 5 to 6 minutes. See, I chopped some up. But if you use shredded, they'll probably bake quicker and more even because this is only in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes. And if you want it crispier, you bake it for like 10 minutes. But look at that. Basically, the pizza is quick, easy. Anybody can make this pizza. And it's like you won't tell where you got it from. It's that fantastic. And it's so quick and easy. The kids can do it on their own. You got to make a quick lunch. People are coming over. You want to do some slices for people to have as hors d'oeuvres. And you know what the best thing about it is? Look at it. It looks better than some places that cost you a lot of money. Look at that. Our Tortizza pizza looks better than that one. That's for sure. So there you go. Dempsters Tortizza pizza. It's great for wraps. If you want to make a wrap sandwich, or you can make it into a pizza. Possibly the quickest pizza you'll ever make.